and then the ra. Okay, the ra. So there is a mad here. So it consists of 3 letters, and the lam will be with the mad. Okay, it has 6 counts long, and the ra, it has 2 counts long. And if you're going to write them as a word, it will be like this. Okay, alif, and then lam, and then ra, like that. So you notice here that the lam, it ended with a sukun, and it doesn't merge to the ra. So there's no merging over here. So that is why the meaning. Okay, this is the example of mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf. So mad is the elongation, and when you say lazim, it's compulsory. Harfi, which does not merge. Okay, like this one, the mim doesn't merge to the ra, so that's why it's mukhaffaf. So the another example of the mad lazim harfi muthaqqal. So now mad lazim muthaqqal, harfi muthaqqal. This harfi here. So the example is this alif, lam, mim. So as you can see, the second letter has a mad, and the third letter also has a mad, and it is merged. Why? If you're going to spell, okay, if you're going to spell this lam and the mim, it will be like this: alif, and then lam, and then mim. Now let's take a look that the mim, it ends with a sukun, and then it merged to the second mim, which has a kasra. So now when we are going to read this one, as you can see, the sanqus lakum group of letters has 6 letter counts long, so you can read this one as alif lam mim. So the lam here has 6 counts, and the mim also, and in between there is a merging. So this is the example of mad lazim harfi muthaqqal. Muthaqqal because this mim to this, the last mim of the lam and the first mim of this third letter has been merged. So that is why it's called muthaqqal. Okay, we have to take note that the mim and mim over here has a ghunna. Ghunna. It has a nasal sound, like that. And this is Akmal gunna means the gunna of this is the longest gunna, like let's say 4 letter counts, for example. So how are we going to read this one? It will be like this. This is the gunna here between the lam and the mim. Okay, so now we are going to read. As you can see, the alif doesn't have any mad at all, so it will be like this. Alif lam mim. So this one is the gunna. Okay, but here in the mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf, so as you can see here, this is the letters doesn't have a gunna. So the lam here, it has 6 vowel counts long, and then the ra has 2 counts from the high puhur. So we are going to read like this. Alif lam ra. So there is no gunna in between because they do not merge. Okay, they do not merge to each other like this one here. So we'll start reading once again, and we're going to point with this mad lazim harfi muthaqqal or mukhaffaf. So here in this example, we said this is mad lazim harfi muthaqqal. Okay, there is a gunna in between the lam and the mim. So we're going to read now. الدرس الثالث الحروف المقطعة ألف لام ميم. So lam here has 6 vowel counts long, also with a mim. So next is ألف لام ميم صاد. Again, so the mim, the alif, okay, the alif doesn't have any mad at all. So the lam has 6, the mim has 6, and then the sad, okay, has also 6 letter counts long. Now remember, we have the gunna in between the lam and the mim. This is the gunna, the nasal sound, the akmal gunna. And then mim to sad, okay, this is the mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf. So because the mim doesn't merge to the sad, so we read like this. Alif lam mim sad. Okay, next one is Alif lam ra. So this is also mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf because the lam here doesn't merge to ra. Next, Alif lam mim ra. So the same ruling. And then the next one, the kaf has 6 counts, the ha, the ya has 2 counts. This is mad tabi'i, and then the ayn, you can make it either 4 or 6 counts long, and the sad has 6 counts. كاف ها يا عين صاد. Okay, as you can hear that the ayn here, between the ayn and the sad, there is an ikhfa with a gunna. So an ikhfa means you have to hide the nun sound of the ayn with the gunna, that is having the nasal sound, and then pronounce the sad. And then the end of the sad, the word sad, it ends with the dal, so it has the qalqala on it. Okay, so kaf ha ya ayn sad. And the akhfa of the ayn is heavy because it follows by the sad, which is a heavy letter. Now we have the taha. These are 2 counts from the high tahur. And then here, the ta, the sin, and the mim. Now the ta has 2 letter counts long, and the sin has 6, and the mim the same thing. Now let's take a look of the example of the ta, sin, and mim. Okay, so this is another example of the mad lazim harfi muthaqqal. Why? Because the second letter, which is the sin, it has a mad, and it ends with the nun, sin, and then followed by the mim, which has also a mad. So if you're going to spell this out, it will be like this. Ta, which is 2 counts, mad tabi'i, and then the sin, it ends with a sukun here, and mim, like that. So as you can see here, the sin sukun followed by mim, this is one of the idgham. So means you have to merge the sound of the nun to mim. So there will be no nun sound at all. Okay, so how you are going to read this one? So this mim now will become to tasim mim, like that. So this will be merged to the mim. So you don't read as tasin mim. It's wrong. So it should be, this will be merged. Okay, so it will be tasim mim. So it will be spelled out like this. Like that. So now there will be gunna in here. Again, this one, tasim So it will be like that. So this is the mad lazim harfi muthaqqal because the noon has been merged to mim. So there will be no sound of the mim at all. That is why when we are going to write these 3 letters, it will be ta, sim, mim. Okay, next is the tasin. This is also one of the example of mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf because the ta doesn't merge to the sin. Also this one, yasin, sad, hamim, and then this one, hamim, ayn, sin, qaf. So we have the explanation on this ikhfa. So as you can see here, the example of the ha is mad tabi'i, 2 counts, and then the mim. So this is mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf. So the ha doesn't merge to the mim. And then here we have this is the second ayah. We have the sin, which the ain, which has 6 letter counts long, also the sin and the qaf. So if you are going to break this down or to spell this ain, it ends with the nun sukun, and then the sin followed by the nun sukun followed by the sin, okay, and then again the sin ends with the nun sukun. So also it ends with the nun sukun here, followed by the qaf. So the ikhfa in the first set of group, these 2 letters, the 2 words, the ikhfa here is light because the sin is one of the light letter. So the second ikhfa in this word between sin and the qaf will be heavy because the qaf is one of the heavy letter. And remember, the ikhfa has always a gunna. So if we are going to read this one, it will be like this. Ayn, sin, qaf, like that. So we have the ikhfa here, ikhfa in between the ayn and the sin, and the sin and the qaf, between the sin and the qaf, ikhfa. And then qaf, this is mad lazim harfi mukhaffaf because there's no letter after that, and also the noon, which has 6 letter counts long. Qaf, noon,